How to change the passcode on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the passcode on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. The process is very similar, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Or it could be Touch ID or passcode if your device has a home button. And once you are here, simply enter your current passcode when prompted. And now here, you need to scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. And after that, you simply need to re-enter your current passcode to continue or verify with a Face ID. At the time I'm making this video, I have currently enabled the security delay on my iPhone, so it is showing this message right now, but you can simply follow the steps and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your new passcode. So simply enter your new passcode and after that again re-enter your new passcode to confirm, and after that your new passcode will be set, and that's it. That's how you can change the passcode on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.